Hey there, welcome back. I'm best-selling author and keynote speaker Scott Steinberg, and today I want to share a few tips with you for online privacy and keeping kids safe on social networks. First off, never share personal information online, including addresses, birthdays, phone numbers, and that social security number your rich uncle in Nigeria was asking for. Always avoid mentioning when you're going to be away from home as well, especially if you're out on vacation or gone for an extended period of time. Be cautious about people and things you encounter online as well. Believe it or not all are going to be upright or forthcoming. Another important tip is to always think twice before posting potentially controversial content online because it may come back to haunt you. Last but not least, be wary when meeting online acquaintances in real life. You gotta stick to public places, tell other people where you're going, check in with your friends and family frequently, and better yet, if you can, bring a chaperone. As always, thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our website, www.akineotespeaker.com. Until next time, I'm Scott Steinberg, signing off.